Hello, ready to order? Hello, ready na po ba kayong umorder? Yep, I'll go with the grilled chicken. Oo, grilled chicken sa akin. Do you want rice or fries with that? Kanin o fries po ang gusto nyo? I'll take rice. Oh, and can you make it spicy? Kanin na lang. Pwede bang manghang? Sure thing. Anything else? Sige po, may iba pa po ba? That's it for now, thanks. Iyan na lang muna, salamat. I can't decide. What do you recommend? Di ko alam kung ano ang pipiliin ko. Anong maire-recommenda mo? The seafood pasta is a hit, and the steak's really good too. Sikat po yung seafood pasta namin. Masarap din po yung steak. Alright, I'll go with the seafood pasta. Sige, seafood pasta na lang ako. Do you want a drink with that? Gusto niyo po ba ng inumin? Yeah, I'll get a glass of iced tea. Oo, isang baso ng iced tea. Okay, just wait a moment for your order. Sige po, pahintay na lang po ng order. Hey, can we get the bill? Kuya, pwedeng kunin na namin yung bill? Sure, I'll bring it right over. Sige po, dadalhin ko po dito. Can I pay with a card? Pwede bang magbayad gamit ang card? Yup, we take cards. Want to split the bill? Opo, tumatanggap kami ng card. Hahatiin po ba namin yung bill? No, it's all together. Hindi, sama-sama na. Okay, I'll be back with a card machine. Okay po, kukunin ko lang po yung card machine.